Hello. Today we'll solve a problem about coordinate geometry. Let's find the coordinates of points that meet specific conditions. Our problem asks us to write the coordinates of the following points. First, a point lying on both axes. Second, a point lying on the x-axis with x-coordinate 4. And third, a point lying on the y-axis with y-coordinate -3. Let's start by understanding what it means for a point to lie on an axis. Here's our coordinate system with the x-axis and y-axis. When a point lies on the x-axis, its y-coordinate must be 0. Similarly, when a point lies on the y-axis, its x-coordinate must be 0. Now let's solve the first part, finding a point that lies on both axes. If a point lies on the x-axis, its y-coordinate must be 0. And if it lies on the y-axis, its x-coordinate must be 0. So, a point lying on both axes must have coordinates x equals 0 and y equals 0. This is the origin, represented as the point 0, 0. For the second part, we need to find a point on the x-axis with x-coordinate 4. Since it's on the x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. With x equals 4, the point must be 4, 0. For the third part, we need to find a point on the y-axis with y-coordinate -3. Since it's on the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0. With y equals -3, the point must be 0, -3. Let's summarize all the points we found. For a point lying on both axes, we found the origin with coordinates 0, 0. For a point on the x-axis with x-coordinate 4, we found 4, 0. And for a point on the y-axis with y-coordinate -3, we found 0, -3. In conclusion, understanding what it means for a point to lie on an axis is fundamental in coordinate geometry. The x-axis is the set of all points with y equals 0. The y-axis is the set of all points with x equals 0. And the origin is the only point that lies on both axes. Thanks for watching.